Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson. You're here for today's Tàijíquán Tip. Today's Tàijíquán Tip is a pretty simple idea, rather easy to remember, and it is to study the language of the area that your art is from. Maybe your art stems from a few places, so you have a few choices there. It doesn't mean become fluent in the language, although sure, go ahead. It doesn't mean learn to speak it. Sure, go ahead. It could be to calligraph it. It could be to pronounce something. It could be the meaning of a word or a phrase or some words. Nice to get a whole phrase though, right? A whole sentence, something that you can share with other people in the arts. But the idea here is at least learn a word, something that you hadn't learned before, and you have to seek it out, right? It's not going to come easy to you, right? The ones that come easy to you are the ones that your teacher repeats all the time and they're in your curriculum. But just getting another little foothold or toehold in the understanding of the place that this comes from. What's special about this language? What sort of mind uses this language to convey its worldview, its perspective? Because you're conveying the worldview and perspective through the art, right? And you're probably not a native speaker. Of course, none of this tip probably applies if you're a native speaker of that art, but I suppose even if you're a native speaker, you won't know everything about that language. So there's going to be something that you can learn, an idiom, a phrase, a word, maybe it's a technical term, and really understand that. And, keep it, right? Really get it so that you have it. So thank you very much. Enjoy. Enjoy. 谢谢.
Thanks for showing your support for today's Tàijíquán tip. Tips really go a long way, and if you can't afford to help financially, comment, subscribe, share, and like, and all that stuff. To be in touch with me, go to my Linktree, Someday Farm. Thank you.